Good morning, Avon. Good morning sa inyong lahat. My name is Marie Cris Antonio from San Isidro, Northern Samar. I am an Advanced Unit Manager of Avon Calbayog Branch. Sa Avon, natupad ang pangarap kong magkaroon ng beauty shop. I have now two. Hindi man siya bongga, at least meron. And marami pang mga dreams na tutuparin dito sa Avon. Sa Avon, meron tayong two ways to earn. First, earn personal sales and earn team sales when you are selling Avon world-class products. And we have two ways to sell. First is face-to-face and second is online via social media. So why Avon? Avon is number one and strongest market in Asia. Number one direct selling in the Philippines with 194 branches nationwide and trusted direct selling brand for 42 years and 130 years worldwide. So sa Avon, we offer fantastic opportunity para ikaw ay makabuo ng sarili mong business selling high-quality products. With your personality and our tools, maaari kang kumita at hawak mo pa ang iyong oras. Tuturuan ka ng Avon on how to sell beauty products via skills training at mga tools that you need to become successful. Bilang franchise dealer, maaari kang kumita ng 25% up to 40% by selling world-class products. And now, what are you waiting for? Join us! Message me or call me.